Hey guys, welcome back again to the exciting series of cyber blogs being presented by VIH Group. So in this video, we are going to cover out how to become a hacker. So we are going to cover out all the steps, all the point in the depth. So let's roll out the intro. So let's talk a little bit. So, hacking is an engaging field, but it is surely not easy to become a hacker. One has to have an attitude and curiosity of learning and adapting new skills. You must have a deep knowledge of computer system, programming languages, operating system, and the journey of learning goes on and on. Some people think that a hacker is always a criminal and do illegal activities, but they are wrong. Actually, many big companies hire hackers to protect their systems and information and are highly paid. So I am going to list out the most important steps necessary to become a hacker. So let's start with all this point. So first, learn Unix Linux. So Unix Linux, or maybe you can pronounce Unix or maybe Linux. So this is an open source operating system which provides better security to computer systems. It was first developed in AT&T Bell's lab and contributed a lot in the world of security. You should install Linux freely available open source version on your desktop, as without learning Linux, it's mostly not possible to become a security analyst or so-called hacker. Code in C language. So C programming is the basic of learning Linux, as the operating system is coded in C programming, which make it the most powerful language as compared to the other programming languages. C language was developed by Dennis Ritchie in late 1970. So to become a hacker, you should master C language. Code in more than one programming language. So it's very important for a person in the hacking field to learn more than one programming. There are many programming languages to learn such as Python, Java, C++. Free books, tutorials are easily available online. If you going to Google out, learn Python, learn Java, you'll get a lot of stuff from there. Learn networking concept. So this is another important and essential step to become a hacker. It is to be good at networking concept and understanding how the network are created. You need to know the difference between different types of network and must have a clear understanding of TCP/IP and UDP to exploit vulnerabilities which may be like loopholes in system. So understanding what LAN, WAN, VPN, firewalls is important. You must have a clear understanding and use of network tools like Wireshark, NMF for packet analysis, network scanning, and lot more concepts. So there's a lot of things to learn. So you should start with the basic of Linux, and then you can continue the CCNA modules, CCNP, and then go on. Learn more than one operating system. So it is essential for a hacker to learn more than one operating system. There are many other operating systems apart from Windows, Linux, etc. Every system has a loophole, so hacker need it to be exploited. Learn cryptography. To become a successful hacker, you need to master the art of cryptography. Encryption and decryption are important skills in hacking. Encryption is widely done in several aspects of information security system. In authentication, authenticity, confidentiality, and integrity of the data. Information on a network is in encryption form such as password. So while hacking a system, these encrypted codes need to be broken, which is so-called decryption. Learn more and more about hacking. So go through various tutorials, ebooks written by experts in the field of hacking. In the field of hacking, learning is never ending because security changes every day with new update in system. Experiment a lot. So after learning some concept, sit and practice them. Set up your own labs for experimental purpose. You need a good computer system to start with as some tools may require powerful processors, RAM, etc. So keep on testing and learning until you breach a system. Right vulnerabilities, loophole programs. So vulnerability is the weakness. Basically, if you talk about vulnerability, then it's a weakness of a particular system or something you can network and all. So vulnerability is a weakness, loopholes, or open door through which you enter in the system. Look for the vulnerabilities by scanning the system network. Try to write your own and exploit the system. So learning is the key to success in the world of hacking. Continuous learning and practicing will make you the best hacker. So keep yourself updated about security changes and learn about new ways to exploit system. So you can go ahead with the hackers news, so you will get the day by day update like what's going around the world, what system got this. So from there you get a clear picture, you can read write-ups. So next point is join discussion and meet hackers. So the most important for a hacker is to make a community or join forums, discussions with other hackers worldwide so that they can exchange and share their knowledge and work as a team. So join Facebook groups related to hacking where you can get more from experts. Actually myself, I started from Facebook. I searched for hacking on Facebook. I found some group and then I got some of the persons from where I connected with them, and later on I just started working with them. So it's a very long story, I'll explain you someday. So this is what I would like to convey you. If you would like to be a hacker, you should follow this step. So these are the steps which are being created by me. You can also found a blog on the same thing, how to become a hacker. If you Google out how to become a hacker by M Kumar, so you will get all these steps there as well. So thanks for watching this video. I hope you understand all these points. Do comment if you got any query. We are always ready to. Once again, thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned.